We know that the XQ-58A Valkyrie drone owned by Kratos will soon be operated by the U.S. Navy as part of a previously unknown project known as the Penetrating Affordable Autonomous Collaborative Killer. The service just granted the business a contract for the procurement of 2 of these stealthy, low-cost unmanned aircraft. The only known user of the XQ-58A at this time is the U.S. Air Force, which has been testing its Valkyries for a variety of projects, including those that feed into the secret Collaborative Combat Aircraft program. The Navy had reached an agreement to purchase the 2 XQ-58As, the Pentagon declared in a daily contracting notification on December 30, 2022, the $15,515,343 contract, which was obtained through the Naval Air Warfare Aircraft Division of the Naval Air Systems Command, includes the manufacture and delivery of the drones as well as unnamed sensor and weapon system payloads. The announcement states that the unmanned aircraft will be utilized to achieve the Penetrating Affordable Autonomous Collaborative Killer portfolio objectives. According to the statement, this will also include non-recurring engineering services, system/subsystem integration, installation, testing, ground and flight operations, logistics, and maintenance for the UAS, as well as government-owned contractor-operated operations for flight test and demonstration events at government test ranges. The goal is to have this work finished by September 30 of the current fiscal year. There is no mention in the contract announcement of whether or not the XQ-58, as in question, will be upgraded Block 2 models, which can fly sorties with bigger payloads for longer durations at higher altitudes. Neither type's precise performance capabilities are known, although according to Kratos' website, the Valkyrie can fly up to 45,000 feet above sea level and has a maximum range of 3,000 miles. The entire weight of the drone, which the manufacturer claims can reach 6,000 pounds, would determine everything. The XQ-58A has a modular, open architecture design that aims to facilitate the quick integration of various sensors and other systems. It has also been proven to be able to deploy stores from a ventral internal bay. When a sortie is complete, XQ-58 as parachute back to Earth. They take off using a static launcher and a rocket-assisted technique. Because of this, drones are totally independent of the runway. Whatever its configuration, the Valkyrie has long been hailed by Kratos as a readily deployable platform with minimal overall infrastructure needs. He has even previously demonstrated the idea of a containerized launcher. The Air Force has been using its XQ-58 as to support research on enhanced autonomous capabilities, communications, and data sharing suites, and other technologies that could end up in future drones, including whatever the service would acquire through the CCA program, as well as crewed platforms. 2 Valkyries joined the 40th Flight Test Squadron of the 96th Test Wing at Eglin Air Force Base in Florida expressly to enable testing of autonomous capabilities, according to an announcement made in November 2022. The service's choice to retire the first XQ-58A, which had only made 3 flights throughout its lifespan, and send it to a museum in 2021, further demonstrated the low-cost orientation of the aircraft's design. Uncertainty exists over the exact current unit price of the Valkyrie. Data Kratos released last year suggested that the individual price point would be around $4 million if 50 were manufactured annually, although the company has previously stated that it could perhaps bring it below $2 million for manufacturing runs of 100 airframes or more. In light of this, it is intriguing to note that Kratos stated in November 2022 that it was anticipating XQ-58A orders from 2 new customers, one of whom has since been revealed to be the U.S. Navy. Unknown is the identity of the other, the third unnamed possible 4th new customer. Likewise, from multiple Valkyrie systems, the company stated at the time was also in discussions with it. Therefore, even though it's unclear exactly what the Navy plans to do with its upcoming XQ-58As, the acquisition of these drones is still a significant development for both Kratos' position in this constantly expanding and potentially extremely lucrative market space, as well as the Navy's vision for an increasingly uncrewed future.